describes the different traits of childhood. So in childhood we are born with certain different qualities. So you see, man is a social animal. Why? Because if you don't get society, what will happen? All your qualities cannot improve. That's why man is called a social animal. Clear? So many children are born with different qualities. So their qualities are getting scope in society. So many voices means sometimes we try to imitate others. We fail because it is not everybody's good quality to dance or sing. It needs a different quality. Everybody cannot be good in mathematics. Everybody cannot be good in drawing. Everybody cannot be good in English. So there are certain children who are talking about themselves. Okay. So children are talking about themselves, which we are hearing. Page number 69. You please open. So first Radha. Okay. So first name is Radha.
सर आप जो ये टेबल बनवा रहे हो जो हमें नोटबुक में भी करना है क्या?
You can write because if you remember by table better. I think instead of reading, if you write about a child, no, everything will be like a print. It will come to your mind. So Radha's favorite hobby is climbing trees. Okay. So Radha loves to climb trees. Okay. So there is a mango tree which I love to go up, its branches spread out. So it is simple to climb up the tree and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. Fork means where two branches join like this. This is called a fork. Fork means one branch is like this, another branch is like this. So this is called a fork. Fork means the twist. Okay, so there Radha is sitting always. Okay, my mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. Generally, no. People think for certain work boys are fit, for certain work girls are fit. So girls should remain in the house and learn singing and dancing, learn cooking, and with doll they should play. This is the old belief. But Radha is a girl and she climbs trees, which is not liked by her mother. She thinks that girls should not climb trees. Okay. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. She wants to rule the. She wants to rule the whole world. This is all about Radha. Okay, so first we have read about Radha. She is a girl. Okay, she loves to climb trees, but her mother tells her that you are a girl, you should not climb trees. But Radha is not listening. One day, what happened? Her mother also climbed the trees. So, in their near their house, there is a big mango tree. So they plucked raw mangoes and ate together and enjoyed. So she wants to rule over the world when she becomes big. When she grows up, she wants to rule over the world. Okay, this is her ambition. Okay, or here you can write ambition. AMBITION. So Radha's ambition is to rule over the world. Clear? Then let us go to Nasir. Okay, Nasir is the second boy. Nasir is the second boy.
His hobby is collecting stones.
Yes, his hobby is collecting seeds. Okay, so collecting seeds. Okay. अरे ये तो निकालना पड़ेगा। Okay, so Nasir is a boy whose hobby is collection of seeds. Why? Because you know, if you keep what a farmer does, one this year some production is there, they will keep the some seeds for the next year. So his father is growing cotton. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. So his father is a farmer. And what type of farmer? He grows cotton. So he wants to help his father. How? By my grandmother father told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from your old plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that does not work. We have to spend money to buy new seeds. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again, not spend money every year. So he wants to be a seed
He
collector.
wants to become.
So this is all about Nasir. Okay. So Nasir is a boy. His father is a cotton farmer. Okay. So every year his father spends money on spending on purchasing the seeds. So Nasir thinks that if we save some seeds, that for next year we need not buy. So his grandfather was telling, if you keep the seeds for next year, it will not, you need not spend money. So he wants to collect the seeds so that his father will save a lot of money. So when he grows up, he wants to be one seed collector. Nasir, okay? Then let us go to Rohit. So Rohit is another boy. Okay, this one, Rohit. Rohit is another boy. I had a huge amount of money. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand. So he wants to travel. So his favorite hobby is traveling. So Rohit's favorite hobby is traveling because you know he loves to travel throughout the world. So he has a dream that when I grow up, I will go to New Zealand and see the mountains of New Zealand there. They looked beautiful in a magazine picture. So once in a magazine picture, he saw the mountains of New Zealand, and for him, they were very much attractive. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. Raft, you know, four logs of wood are tied together. That is a raft. Raft is not a boat.
Sir, it is a type of boat with
Yes, it
wood.
is not a boat, but four logs of wood are tied together by rope. It is the raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to Konark Temple in Orissa or the old city of Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy to seeing the nature more than old building. So he wants to be a traveler and a nature lover. Okay. So Rohit wants to see the places. So he mentioned some places in China. The Beijing in
Sir, Beijing
China.
is the capital. Sir, Beijing is the capital of China.
Yes, yes. So also beaches of Lakshadweep and go to Konark Temple of Orissa, pyramids of Egypt. All
Sir, I
these.
am from Odisha.
Yes. So he wants to see all these places. I am also from Orissa. Okay. I am from Orissa. Konark Temple is very beautiful. Okay. So he wants to see the old Beijing city in China, Konark temple in Orissa, and pyramids of Egypt. In Egypt, what happened? The dead bodies, they do not burn. They keep in pyramids. So pyramids, no, they are famous. Egypt is famous. Dead bodies they preserved for hundreds of years. By preserving them, keeping them in barn, they preserve. So these pyramids of Egypt
Mala,
are
mute yourself.
Mala, mute yourself.
yes, yes. So he loves to travel. So in future, when he grows up, he wants to be a traveler and a nature lover. Okay. Then shall I rock this one? Sarvjit will write.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you can
Okay.
Yes,
rub.
you can
So
rub.
another
Yes,
boy.
sir, you can rub.
Okay. Another boy, his name is Sarvjit. Okay.
मैम सर ये मैं पूरी एक बार पढ़ चुका हूँ ये पहले का
Already done. But let us see Sarvjit. Sarvjit is another boy.
Yes, sir. मैंने भी.
He tells truth. Okay. So his hobby is telling truth. He never tells lies. Sarvjit never tells lies. So, but thing is that he becomes very angry when somebody tells a lie. So Sarvjit is telling what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forget to return it, or I tell my parents that it was not me but my little brother who started the fight. If I tell my teacher really study, so they look at me as if I am telling lies. So always he tells the truth, but he is misunderstood by his teacher, by his parents. So he is angry. Why? Three examples he tells that he told his teacher that he could not do the homework because Ravi has taken his notebook. Teacher did not believe. He told his mother that his younger brother started the fighting. Mother will not trust. And he tells the teacher also that he did not study, so got bad marks. But nobody believes him. So he becomes angry. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show I am angry. So he wants to be an honest person. An honest person who can control anger.
sir he is telling trust uh, but uh, but everyone do not trust
Yes, because you know
on him.
nowadays all are bad only. 99% people are bad. Only 1% are good. So if you tell the truth also, people will laugh at you, make fun of you. So you become angry. So he becomes angry when people make fun of him and laugh at him. Okay, so he wants to be an honest person in future and also wants to control his anger. He wants to control his anger. Okay. Okay. So I have to look down. So he discovered one technique. If you are angry, what will you do? You look down at your own shoe and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So
Yes, sir, I know that technique.
yes,
Sir, till 10 you have to count in mind, so you forgot the anger.
yes, your anger will be controlled. So you have to control your anger. So he is telling us a technique. What is the technique? To look at the shoes and the counting. Start counting 1 to 10. If you count, you can control your anger. So let us go to page number 72. Dolma. So one girl, Dolma. Dolma is a girl. Dolma wants to be the Prime Minister of India. See, becoming the Prime Minister of India is not very easy, but she wants to be the Prime Minister of India. Okay, she wants to be the Prime
Or it is
Minister of
very
India.
difficult to become the Prime Minister of any country.
People always laugh because somebody tells I want to be the President of India, we also will laugh. Everyone in
Sir,
my class asks,
my old school friend also wanted to become the President of India.
okay, yes, she wants to want yes, her hobby is helping the people. She loves helping the people who are in trouble. So Dolma is a girl. She wants to be the Prime Minister of India. So her hobby is helping people when people are in trouble. Okay. They have when everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me. When something needs to be done in school, I want to make things better for everyone. She is a very good girl. Why? She thinks to improve the things. So Dolma is a very good girl. She wants to improve the things. That's why she always thinks how we can make our lives better. Okay.
She is helpful and thoughtful.
Yes. I want to have good hospital and roads and schools because many people in India are dying due to no health care. No health care is in their place. So she wants to. She is helpful and thoughtful. Very good, very good. Siddhika is correct. So many people during COVID time, they died because
Sir, it is very important to manage the COVID time.
no oxygen, no hospital, people died. So she wants to
Sir,
make.
the poor people also die because the food is very costly for them.
Yes, and moreover, suppose hospital is there, but road is not there. How will you go? Suppose ambulance will come. There should be.
She wants to provide some facilities.
We can
Sir,
help. We
she
can help.
wants to apply
See,
some facility
there are
for
many
poor
There
ways.
are
people.
many people in India who want to become the Prime Minister and help, but they cannot become because they have not the profession.
Acha, without being prime minister, cannot you help? You can help.
Yes, sir, we can help like Samaj
Yes, yes.
Sevak, but if you do like if you become a Prime Minister, it is more easy to help
Yeah,
because they
correct.
have.
You are 100% correct. You are 100% correct. So even if there is a will, there is a way. In English, there is a proverb. No, if there is a will, there is a way. If you have desire to help, whether you are prime minister or not, you can help. If you don't have desire to help, you become prime minister or president, you will not help. So she is a good girl. She wants that people should have good hospital, good roads, and good schools. Many children are intelligent, but their parents don't have money to send them to school. So she wants everybody should be educated, everybody should be healthy,
Yes, sir.
and
Everyone
everybody
should
should
be
be happy.
educated.
That's why she is a good girl. So when you think of others, you are good. When you think of yourself only, you are selfish. So
सर
selfish.
वो चाहती है कि हर एक बच्चा एजुकेटेड हो और सबको
हाँ.
फैसिलिटीज मिले अच्छी।
Yes.
Because if they got educated in future, they can make our India very strong.
Yes, because you are only thinking, I will be an engineer, I will have 7 houses, 7 cars, one AC room. In AC car, I will go. In aeroplane, I will travel. Means I am selfish. So we should think of others. And she is a very good girl.
Yes, because when I become successful in life, I will open an orphanage.
Yes. So always you see children, those who are poor than us, you should help. Those who are poor children, don't have books, don't have pens, so
Sir,
then
we
we
want
can
to
help.
help others.
Yeah,
When I got
Sir,
successful
we
in
help
life, I
others.
will open an orphanage.
Very good. You are very good
And
children. Yes.
sir, we want
Thank
to
you, sir.
help. Sir, we help the poor people.
Yes. So India,
We should
many
have
scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases, send a spaceship to Mars. So we should go to Mars, and also we should have cure to all the diseases. Now you see, COVID is there, but no cure is there. Is there any cure? No. Is there any cure for COVID? No. Only carefulness. No cure.
No, sir.
So no medicine is there. For cancer, no cure.
Yes,
Cancer,
sir.
incurable. Kidney disease, incurable. COVID, incurable. So, if you want to help the children, you must develop your knowledge and find a cure for all the diseases. She wants that, Dolma. Then you see last Peter. So, Peter wants okay.
Sir, because of some people, the people are not getting vaccinated.
Yes, because you know some few people they enjoy all the benefits. In India,
Sir,
there are
sir, they make fake messages
Sir,
and provide
we
all the
give
Indians
vaccine to
so that they all
poor
cannot be
people also,
vaccinated.
and we do
yes,
not
Sir, they
135
make fake
crores of
messages.
people are there in India.
all
135
Yes, sir.
crores.
Sir,
But
there are many people who not
They
want to vaccinated.
yes,
yes,
they
sir.
don't.
They only
They don't know. They don't have knowledge also.
सर चीजों का
They
चार्ज
don't
भी
know
नहीं
what
होता.
is vaccination. How they will be vaccinated? Okay.
Sir, some people take the advantage
to
of
them.
being poor. Sir, some people take the advantages of poor people and unknowledge people.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
they only see their comfort zone.
Okay, so better my the second Sunday of every month on their whole family goes to the cinema hall to see a film. Okay, Petter's hobby is seeing films. So Petter's hobby is seeing the films. Okay, so he wants to go with his family to a film hall and enjoy the film. So particularly on Sundays, my father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there in the interval. My father boils us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. So he wants to enjoy. He wants to enjoy a good movie. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood. We feel very lucky. We are such a happy family. To be in a happy family.
Yes, sir. In COVID-19, rich people gave money and
So you
didn't
see,
help.
children, happiness is very important. If you have everything but no happiness, can you enjoy life? You should enjoy life. So this boy always thinks of how to enjoy the life. Okay. So in
Sir,
this
some
way,
comedy films can cure our depressions also.
yes, yes. Sometimes you should enjoy. Go to the movie and see how people are enjoying. We should also
Sir,
enjoy.
but now in COVID-19 time, the films are only available in OTT platforms.
But at home you are enjoying, no?
But it is very costly than the cinema tickets.
Who told it is cheaper? In the mobile you are watching movies. How
Sir,
it
but,
will
but
Yes,
we
sir.
have to take
And
the
in TV, sir. In
sir,
television also.
sir, we have to take the subscription of 75 rupees per month. So if you watch one movie in per
okay,
month,
see.
it is
Okay,
very.
75
Only
rupees,
that
75 rupees, 10 movies you are watching. One movie only will cost you 50 rupees ticket. It is cheap only at home. In Netflix, here and there in different channels, films are coming.
और सर
Yes, sir, in TV channels the films are coming,
कोई
but
गेम
Yes.
it
भी
is
खेल सकते
very
हैं.
late.
in the
Yeah, yeah.
channels.
सर हम
We don't
गेम
need
भी खेल सकते हैं. इंडोर गेम्स खेल सकते हैं जैसे कैरम, चेस. इनसे भी हम
Sir, we
खेल
can play
But
games
you
and
see,
pass our time in this Corona
some
time.
outdoor games also
सकते
required.
हैं.
Outdoor games also required.
हम
spending time with family.
Yeah. With family you should enjoy.
Every evening I play cricket.
Yes. Very nice. So we have
So
completed
that
the
means
subjects.
that I am playing football.
Okay, play and enjoy. See,
Yes,
2 hours you should play. Then only our health will be okay. Going
yes,
to
sir.
picnic now risky. And this Raut Bhatta dam side, many children are going and their life is endangered. Don't go there. Play football, play hockey, play cricket. Otherwise, take 10 rounds physical exercise
Basketball.
to be strong. Nothing is there. Push-ups you do, or rope jumping you do. You can do sit-up, push-up, rope jumping. Some physical exercise is required. Otherwise, you will be weak. Okay. So this is all about the children. Now we'll go to the working with the text part. Clear? Chapter is clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let us go
Both
to
are
the
not.
question answer part.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. You can rub.
Okay. Please write down. Please write down. Okay. So let us go to page number 73. Page. Shall I rub now?
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay, shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You can rub the board.
So can I answer the first question?
Okay. So working with the text, we will see. First question is there. Okay. Okay. Working with the text. Okay. So answer the following questions. Better's favorite day of the week is Sunday because A.
Because on Sunday, all the family members of Peter's family goes to see a film.
Okay. On that day, he goes to cinema with his
Because at that day they go to the cinema hall to watch a
whole
movie.
family. Okay. So A is correct.
Sir, the answer of the next question can I tell?
Oh, okay.
Sir, can I tell
So
the
what
next
Justin wants to learn?
How to preserve seeds so that
how
they
to
can be used again without investing money on them.
Yes. Very good.
how to preserve seeds
How to
without
preserve
wasting money
seeds?
on them.
How to preserve seeds? Nasir
So
wants to
that
learn how to
so
preserve
that
seeds.
so that they can be used again without investing
How?
money on them.
Okay. You know answers so that they can be used again to save money instead of writing to save money. So every year they were purchasing seeds. So if you preserve no, you can save a lot of money. Not to spend money and save money are same thing. Okay. Then three. Answer three. Because she wants to.
सर आप जो भी वहां पर लिख रहे हो वो दिख नहीं रहा.
Okay, okay. Then you write this. I will write this side. You write
Yes,
this.
sir.
Complete this. I will write
Sir,
here.
sir, please rub the question answer number 1.
Okay, okay, children. I am waiting. I am waiting 1 minute. You please complete. Then you will write here only. You can see. You please write down 1 and 2, 3. I will write again. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Very good.
Answer.
Sir, side please.
Just 1 second. I will write answer 3. Okay. She wants to make things better
And to help people.
for everyone. We can write in a long way also by building schools, comma, hospitals, comma, roads, and developing science. Developing science. If you develop science only, you can send a spacecraft to Mars. Okay. So if you develop the science only, you can send a spacecraft to Mars. So she wants to make things better for everyone by building.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hospitals, roads, and developing science. Developing science means she can make the things better for everyone. Then let us go to answer 2. There are statements are given. We have to write true or false. Answer B, true or false. Okay, 1. Peter is the only child. True or false?
False. He has his cousin brothers and
False.
sisters.
Because 2 brothers and sisters are there. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people.
False.
False. Very good. Third one. Nasir lives in a city. False.
False. False. He lives in village.
Fourth one. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her.
True.
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 Okay, please write down this. Please note down this, children. For true, you write 2 D, and for false, write F. written? Please write down.
No, sir.
Okay. So she wants to develop the science so that she can send one spacecraft to Mars. She can make things better for everyone by building schools, hospitals, roads, and developing science. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Noted.
Done, sir.
Done. Very
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
good. Okay.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
So, what is time now? You see, time.
Completed.
Time you see,
Sir, it is 12:25.
12:25. Okay, children, another day because my mobile charge is over. I am not able to open the mobile. Okay, children, this much today, and rest is okay. You please read and read the whole chapter. Any problem is there, send by WhatsApp.
I have
Then
already.
we will do.
No
Sir,
problem,
video
sir.
is not clear.
Now the class has
I have read
ended.
this chapter.
See.
Bye,
when-
sir. Thank you for teaching us.
Okay, now class is getting ended. You are talking of video. See, one story is there. One person had Ramayana from beginning to last. At last he asked, "Sir, excuse me, Sita was male or female?" एक आदमी ने क्या किया? He listened रामायण. ठीक है?
Okay,
एक
sir.
घंटा तक
Now
सुना.
video clear.
लास्ट में पूछा,
Sir, मैं screenshot
सीता इज मेल और फीमेल. तो अभी क्लास खत्म हो गया. आप बोलते वीडियो कंप्लीट हुआ. You are talking about video. Okay, children. Happy day. Have a nice day.
Sir, such a silly question. Question.
सर इतनी देर से लिख रहा था पर वो एकदम से
Okay,
लास्ट
okay,
में तो
okay.
खराब हो गया।
सर, अगर वो 1 घंटे से रामायण सुन रहा था तो उसे तो पता होना चाहिए कौन है सीता मैया.
हाँ, एक रामायण सुना पूरा लास्ट तक. लास्ट में पूछा सीता इज मेल और फीमेल. ऐसे बात हुआ ना. Okay, children, have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir, for teaching.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Bye bye,
All
sir.
the best, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye bye, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you.